How to change name on Zangi. Hi guys, it's Mikran. Today I am going to guide you how to change name on Zangi. Changing name on Zangi is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Zangi app. Launch the Zangi app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account. Go to Setting. Tap on the gear icon. Select Profile. Look for an option that says Profile or Account Setting. Tap on it to access your profile information. Change your name. Find the field displaying your current name. Tap on it to edit and enter your new desired name. Save changes. After entering a new name, look for the Save button. It might be a check mark or another confirmation option, and tap on it to save your changes. Close setting. Exit the setting menu to return to your chats. Your new name will be visible to your contacts. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change name on Zangi. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.